Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope everything is okay. Now see, today we are starting another topic, which is symmetric figures. Okay, here you have to learn only 2 points under this topic: symmetric figures and line of symmetry. One point that you must learn is that how a figure can be symmetrical, and the other point that you should know is that if it is symmetrical, where is the line of symmetry? Identify the line of symmetry. Okay, look at this aeroplane. How to check whether it is symmetry, first of all. Okay, for the first point. Now look at this aeroplane. We fold it, and then we again remove the fold, and we see the line of fold. Okay, we from the line of fold we see that this is one part and this is another part. So the line of fold will separate the aeroplane into two identical parts, right? So when you fold from this line and bring the two identical parts closer together by folding, if these two identical parts or if these two parts exactly fit onto the other part, that is called symmetry. For example, if this aeroplane, when you fold from the line of fold, and then if those two part, this part and this part, overlap each other exactly without deviating, then the aeroplane is symmetrical. That is how objects become symmetrical. And then the other point is, if it is symmetrical, what is the line of symmetry? Actually, the line of fold which made two sides of the aeroplane overlap each other without deviating even a little bit, right? So that line of fold is the line of symmetry. So we call the aeroplane is symmetrical, and it can be divided into two halves that fit each other exactly by a line of symmetry. That means this line of fold is dividing that aeroplane into two parts, which will help, when folded, which will help to overlap these two parts exactly onto each other. So that's why that's identical halves. Now see this example. For example, if I draw this line, if I fold this house from this line, this will be folding or overlapping each other without deviating any side, right? So this house is symmetrical, and this will be the line of symmetry. Now, like this arrow, if I fold this arrow from here, I can overlap the arrow without deviating any parts from each other, right, from these two parts. So then this arrow is identical, and then this will be the line of symmetry. Even the half moon can also be done like that, and this one is also like that. So I hope you understood how a figure can be symmetrical and how to identify the line of symmetry. Now look at this one. These figures are not symmetrical, so you will not find, no matter where you draw the line, you will not find the line of symmetry, because they are not symmetrical. If they are not symmetrical, you will not find the line of symmetry. Now see this natural object, the spider. You will see that if I fold the spider from this line, the two identical parts each side of the line can overlap each other without any deviation from any side, right? Now this one also can be folded. If I fold from this line, this also will be exactly like that, and this one also will be exactly like that. You know your face. Can you stand in front of a mirror and see where is the line of symmetry in your face? So it will be above your nose, half of your mouth, half of your chin, right? Now see, look at this workout. So look at this workout. Okay, so this will be the line of symmetry. So that one is symmetrical, number A, and this will be the line of symmetry. So this will be symmetrical, and this will be the line of symmetry for this one. So that's the symmetrical. So these are the 3 figures among the 6 figures which is symmetrical, and we found the line of symmetry. And now see, this is specifically for the line of symmetry. Look at that rectangle. If I draw the line like this, also I can fold it without I can fold it exactly, overlapping 2 parts onto each other. And if I fold from this line also, I can overlap both the sides exactly over each other, isn't it, without any deviation. So I can see that rectangle is symmetrical, but I have 2 lines of symmetry in this one. That means if I either fold the horizontally, also it's symmetrical, vertically also symmetrical. So I have 2 lines of symmetry for this rectangle. Okay, now see, let's do the work out. Let's do the work it out, this one. Now look at this. So look at this one. So in each of the figures below, determine whether the dotted line is a line of symmetry. Look at this A. If you cut from here, if you fold, it doesn't, I mean the 2 parts will not overlap each other without any deviation, right? So this is not a line of symmetry, and this is not a correct line of symmetry for this. But you can draw a line of symmetry for this. If I tell you, what about if I draw a line from here and I ask you to fold? Yes, but this line is not a line of symmetry for this. For B, yes, this is a line of symmetry for this one. For C, yes, and there can be another line of symmetry for C, right, if I fold from this way, because the 2 parts which I create by folding from here will overlap each other without any deviation, and this one will be the next one. I can draw more on this one because there can be more than one line of symmetry. We have seen that from the rectangle, right? Now this is not a line of symmetry, but for F, yes, that's the line of symmetry for that. I hope this is very clear for you now, how a figure can be symmetrical, and if it is symmetrical, what is the line of symmetry? If it is more than one line of symmetry also, you will be able to find out that, right? I hope it's clear now, isn't it? Thank you.